Cat 26 series of tips, errors, and hobbies, and how you guys doing and girls doing today? I'm going to show you just a simple thing that we do here, and we clean the plate first with alcohol, which we did already, and we wipe it down with felt. I use felt from Walmart, and you go over here and you press right there, file. And you look through the files. This is up, this is down. All the files that loaded on the card. And we're gonna press this one right here, which is a sleigh. You got bed leveling and calibration, which you both want on. Time lapse is for the camera. You can click that on if you want to record a video, and it'll be time lapse. And then print. So you hit print. And it goes to that right there. Then it makes a sound, and it'll start going through calibrating and loading the filament. So it goes like that, and then back like that. Then it'll go down to the plate. It's gonna be a little bit of a longer video, so hang in there, guys. So it goes down to the plate. We have filament up there. We may have to change it midway. I've showed that in other videos, how to change that. So it goes all the way down to the plate there. Touches the plate up a couple times. Then it goes over to here. And you're going to get a blob of filament coming out. Alright. It's a very easy machine once you get it put together and set up to use. I highly recommend it. This or the A1 Mini. This one gives a little bit more space than the A1 Mini, but easy to put together. You follow the instructions, and in no time you're printing stuff. So, trying to get in there close. See, it's coming out there. A little blob of filament. I think that does it maybe 2 times. Not sure. There you go. Dropped it off. They call it poop. I call it whatever. Does it again. It's doing it again. I'm trying to do this as best I can, so hang in there. This is the extruder. This is the hot end. See how it's blowing a little bit? There's little fans in there. There's a fan in there blowing the film and cooling it down a little bit. And knock it off and it'll go like that. And it'll come over here and it'll start vibrating. You hear the motors gear up. It's leveling right now, going back and forth. There's the motor sounds. You hear the motor sounds? Those are the stepper motors. Nothing to worry about. Everything's fine. Goes over there. Goes back to home. Then it'll come over to the plate next. And it'll do this little thing right here. Touching the plate there. Checking it out. Goes to the back again. Touches the plate. Rubs the nozzle. Wipes it off. right there. Wipe it off a couple times. Touch it again. And then it waits for a little while. Comes over here. Goes to the center. Touches the plate. And it'll do, now it's doing each quadrant of the plate, leveling. Okay. This is the process before it prints. You know, it seems lengthy, but it's about 5 minutes, 6 minutes so far. I can see I'm timing it since we started the video. It's got 5% so far bed leveling done. 5% of the print, I mean, done, actually. Now it's going to lay out a stream of filament right in the front here. That's your test filament. Just lay it out. Takes a while. And it starts laying down a little piece of filament there just to test the nozzle. Now it's printing. It's starting to print stuff. See? Printing. So I just want to show you that, and there's the filament up there. We're going to have to change it probably midway. We just pause the machine and then unload the filament and put a new roll on. So I just want to show you that. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please rate, subscribe, give a thumbs up, share with your friends, and God bless you. Have a great day.